The following is a class on the Srimad Bhagavatam, 6th Canto, 2nd Chapter, text number 14, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on September 17th, 1975, in Vrindavan, India.
All right. Sankirtam, indication. Sankirtam parihasangva subang helanameva vaikunthanamagrahanam asesa agarang vidu. Everyone should know vidu. Generally you do not know what is the power of Vaikuntha Nam Namakari Bauda Nija Sattva Shakti Tatrapita Niyamita Smaranena Kala Etadasi Tabakripa Bhagavan Mamati Duddaiva Idisameha Janinanuka. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu regretted that the holy name of Krishna is so powerful that all the potencies or all the energies in the absolute person, the same thing you will find in his name, in his form. But these things are not understood by less intelligent class of men. To understand these things means to know Krishna in truth. Manusyanam sahasreshu kaschit jadati siddhaye jadatamapi siddhanam kaschit vettimam tattva. This is tattva, truth, that Krishna, the Supreme Person, His holy name, His form, His attributes, His pastimes, His paraphernalia, His dhama, just like we are in Vrindavan dhama. So why Vrindavan dhama is worshipped? Because the Vrindavan dhama is not different from Krishna. When you take a little dust of Vrindavan dhama and take it, that means you are taking the dust of Krishna's lotus feet and taking it. Vrindavan dham, so important. The Vrindavan dham, ordinary man cannot see. That Narottam Thakur says, Rupo Raghunato Pade Hoibe Akuti Pabe Hamo Bujava Se Jugolo Piri. Vishaya Chariya Kabe Shuddha Habe Mon Kabe Hamo He Rava Sri Vrindavan. Vrindavan, if you come from anywhere by the train and rail or aeroplane and see Vrindavan, that is not seeing Vrindavan. Vrindavan seeing means Vishaya Chariya Kabe Shuddha Habe Mon Kabe Hamo He Rava Sri Vrindavan. When we shall be free from Vishaya, Vishaya means Ahara Nidra Bhaya Maithuna. So who can give up Vishaya unless he is a great devotee? Others cannot. Vishaya, it is very difficult. But if one is advanced devotee, parang drishtya nivartate, they can give up. If you come to Vrindavan and arrange for a Vishaya Bhog, Ahara Nidra Bhaya Maithun, then Vrindavan is far away. Vishaya Chari. The whole Krishna consciousness movement is on the basis of Vishaya Charya. And Sri Lochanda Thakur also sings, Vishaya Charya Sera Se Majiya Mukhe Bolo Hari Hari. Vishaya Charya. Of course, in the beginning it is not possible, but the ultimate goal of life is to give up Vishaya. No more ahara nidra bhayamaithon. That is called Vishaya Charya. That's why Raghunath Das Goswami did. He came here, lived in Vrindavan. He was a very, very rich man's son. 500 years ago, his father's income was 12 lakhs of rupees. Now it may be crores of rupees. 500 years, he was such a rich man's son. And very beautiful wife. Because Raghunath Das Goswami was restless, he was always trying to go with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So his father and uncle, he was the only son of his two brothers. So they thought that this boy is very restless, he wants to go away with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, let him have a very nice, beautiful wife, and he will get. But he was not attracted. He was not even going inside the house. He was lying down outside the young man. He has no taste for Vishaya. Vishaya Charya. Therefore, later on, he became Raghunath Das Goswami. Formerly he was simply Raghunath, and when he joined Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then he became Raghunath Das Goswami. So, he was living in Radha Kunda, or Vrindavan. He was eating every alternate days a little butter, that's all. Ahara nidra bhayamaitho. Nidra ahara viharakadi vijito. This is. The more you have become free from nidra, means sleeping, ahara, eating, and vihara, sex, and nidahara, viharakadi. And so far, bhaya, a devotee is not fearful of anything. Narayana parasabbe na kutasya na vibhati. Sargapa varga narakeshu api tullatha darshana. A devotee is not interested whether he is going to hell or heaven. Everything is for him. He knows hell is also kingdom of God, and heaven is also kingdom of God. There, a devotee's kingdom of God means where he gets the chance of serving the Lord, that is wanted. So, Sankirtan, therefore, in the Hindu family, they keep the name of the children with the